Yeah. Good afternoon, millionaires. I hope everybody feels great. Income acceleration. Y'all always hear us talking about that. You know, one company deals with income shifting that we work with. That's all financial literacy. It's all tax reduction, tax liability reduction. You know, we call that one My Econ. Then there's another one we work with called Novae. And some of you know this, some of you don't, because I barely talk about it. But that's coming up at the end of the month. I just wanted to throw it out there. Why is it called income acceleration? Well, right now they have something that will set your business on fire. Some of you need to raise money because you're looking at buying a home. Some of you are trying to get your earnest money up for your home. Some of you are trying to repair your credit score, but you're like, I know plenty of other people who have jacked up credit too. What can I do, Haziq? I cannot tell you how many inboxes I get all the time with people that are like, man, I'm trying to make some money and I need to make it quickly. I know that's not one of the rules of entrepreneurship, Haziq. I know it's slow and steady wins the race, but I need some money right now. I got somebody that just now lost a job in my family and I'm taking care of everybody. I just now found out my girl is pregnant, Haziq, and I need some money. I get it. So what we got here for you is something called income acceleration. Listen to me. You can join for $1 and still make like $2,000 in the first 30 days if you sign up 5 customers and 10 affiliates. Now, customers for what? Credit repair. It's automated credit repair. You take a picture of your ID, take a picture of your utility bill, and you're finished. You just sit back and wait. I've watched multiple people go up 200 points in their credit score in less than 60 days. And I've seen that happen multiple times. Like multiple times. You get what I'm saying to you? Here's my point. Whether they join for the 500, whether they join for the 250, or whether they join for the 50, or whether they join for $1, they can still make a couple $1,000s in their first 30 days. If they join for the 500, they can make about $4,000 in the first 30 days. Again, all 5 customers and 10 affiliates. If they join for the 250, they can make about $3,000 in 30 days. Again, all 5 customers and 10 affiliates. And if they join for $50, even if they join for $1, listen, you can sign people up for $1. And as long as they pay their auto ship in 30 days, you know, that's what we call it when the subscription bill comes around, because they can start off for $1. We call that the fundraising package. They can start off for $1 and change their whole life because now they have the money to put up that earnest money for the home or start their investment account. You know, we're real big on talking about how it's all about an investment account. It's not about commercial banks. It's about Merrill Lynch, T. Rowe Price, Edward Jones. Well, they take $2,500 to even open an account. $3,500 to even open an account. Well, this can get you that in 30 days. The work you do in 30 days will change your whole life. And I'll break it down real quick. Let's say you sign up 5 customers. You know, it's $199 for the credit repair, plus it's $29 a month. And you can inbox me or inbox whoever sent you this video, and they'll give you more information. I'm just giving you the cliff notes. So they pay the $199 and the $29 a month. You make $100 every time they do that. $100, right? So let's just say you do that 5 times because you need 5 customers for the fast start bonus. That's $100, $200, $300, that's $500. But since you signed up 5 in 30 days, you get an extra $500. Boom! Because that's the bonus. So that's $1,000 right there. Now, when you sign up the affiliates, because there are 3 different levels of affiliate that can offer that credit repair, I want you to do the math with me. If you sign up a $50 affiliate, you make between $20 and $30. You sign up a $249, you make between $100 and $200. If you sign up a $499, you make between $200 and $400. Not bad. Some people work all week and don't make that, right? But here's the point. You not only do all of that, but when you sign up 10 of them, you get an extra $500. So just imagine that for a minute and inbox somebody and get started. You want to go into the second half of the year because after Memorial Day, you know, I know that we're giving thanks for the fallen soldiers, but also it's RIP to the first half of the year. You understand? We're about to get into the 6th month of the year. We are done with half the year already. I mean, are you looking at your clock? It's already Friday again. And some of us got paid twice, once from My Econ and once from Novae. But my point is, get in the game, y'all. Donald Trump has made it now so that you kind of like have to, I mean, before it was smart to have a business, now it's dumb to not have one. Y'all notice that? So get involved. And now that you can join for only $1, literally all the excuses are gone. I love y'all, and remember, either your mind has to expand to match your goals, or your goals will just start to shrink. to match your mind. Let's grow.